elevate your trading game and achieve substantial profits? Welcome to Chakrivvyws Precisely Premium. We are your ultimate guide to exceptional intraday and position calls in NSE F&O and MCX futures, designed to maximize your gains while effectively managing your risks. Trade smartly and confidently. Market volatility is no match for you. With mini lots, you can capitalize on minimum risk and unlock maximum profit potential. Experience NSE F&O trading with an incredible leverage of up to 500x. Dive into global segments, including COMEX metals, US stocks, and cryptocurrency, with an investment starting from just 2,500 rupees. If commodities are your focus, jump into MCX with as little as 1,000 rupees. Our unbeatable subscription plans for trading strategies are here for you. Get NSE F&O at just 4,999 rupees, MCX at only 7,777 rupees, or opt for the ultimate combo pack at just 9,999 rupees. Call and connect at 8778899819 today. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, because at Chakri Trading Calls, your success is our top priority. Trade smart. Earn big. Grow faster with Chakrivvyws. This month at Chakrivvyws, we are delivering unparalleled insights in one dynamic video. As we've had a few short trading weeks, we are uniting 3 impactful weekly reports for 12th April, 19th April, and 26th April into an all-encompassing strategy guide. Seize this opportunity for precise premium trading calls that will elevate your profits to new heights. This is the Chakrivvyws weekly summary for 12th April 2025. This week presented its challenges, with only 3 trading sessions and the impact of international tax tariffs causing fluctuations in global markets. However, Chakrivvyws demonstrated resilience, delivering a total of 35 premium calls across NSE F&O and MCX futures. We faced a net loss of approximately 1,19,198 rupees this week, but it's crucial to understand that this follows a robust profit of over 66,000 rupees the previous week. Market fluctuations are a part of the game, and true strength lies in how we navigate them. With smart strategy adjustments already in motion, we are poised for a confident rebound in the coming weeks. Stay connected with Chakrivvyws for premium trading insights, because success is defined not only by the good days but by our ability to triumph through the challenging ones. Here's an impactful summary for the week ending 19th April 2025. After overcoming significant global challenges, Chakrivvyws has made a remarkable comeback. This week, we issued 10 premium calls that honed in on high-potential trades in gold, silver, copper, COMEX gold, and COMEX silver. We proudly achieved a net profit of 97,090 rupees, a striking reversal from last week's loss of approximately 1,19,000 rupees. Our strategic pivots and impeccable trade execution resulted in impressive hit ratios, with both COMEX gold and COMEX silver achieving an outstanding 100% hit rate. Our strong gains across multiple scripts underscore our commitment to delivering precision and confidence, even in challenging times. Stay tuned for more expertly crafted trading strategies, exclusively from Chakrivvyws. Weekly summary for 26th April 2025. This week was nothing short of extraordinary, featuring a total of 65 premium calls across NSE futures and options, as well as MCX commodities. Thanks to our sharp market strategies, we closed the week with an impressive net profit of 60,755 rupees, based on a single lot and target. Our consistent success across key segments, gold, silver, copper, crude oil, and COMEX gold, showcases the strength of our diversified trading approach. Despite encountering some market volatility, our carefully chosen scripts delivered significant gains, solidifying a stable and profitable trading week for our premium members. This week stands as another testament to our expertise, following a remarkable profit of 97,000 rupees from the previous week. Chakriviews remains committed to providing top-tier intraday and positional calls, empowering you to trade smartly, minimize risks, and maximize your earnings. Stay tuned for even more success stories, only with Chakriviews. Kind attention to all. Equity and MCX investment and trading are subject to 100% market risks. I am not SEBI registered analyst. Refer your financial consultant advice before investing. This channel is only for educational and learning purposes. Admins have no responsibility for your intended decision and financial losses. Stock market investments are very risky, and being part of this group, you agree that you understand the market risks involved. Therefore, no legal action is valid. Thank you.